Hey fellas, welcome back to my channel. How is everything going? In our previous video, we talked about the importance of backup and recovery. Today, we will cover 2 easy ways to create a full system backup for Windows 11 or 10. This ensures your data is safe and can be quickly restored if anything goes wrong. Let's jump in. First, come to the Windows built-in tools. Let's take a look at the Create and use a restore point. Think of it like saving progress in a game. If anything goes wrong, you can load your system back to this point. Following my step, and don't click Windows icon and then select System. Click the System Protection link. Select System Protection tab. Select the drives, system drive or any other volume, for which you want to create a restore point. Then click Configure. Select the option Turn on System Protection. Click Apply and click OK. After the system protection is turned on, click Create. Type a description for the restore point and click Create. When the restore point is created successfully, close the dialogues. Next, let's move to how to use a restore point. Open the System Protection dialog. Select System Protection tab. Click System Restore. Click Next. Select one point from the list and then click Next. Confirm your restore point and click Finish. Click Yes to continue. Wait while your Windows files and setting are being restored. If that doesn't work, try this next method. Now let's talk about iSumsoft Cloner, a third-party disk cloning software. It's a powerful tool which allows you to clone your system, partitions, or entire hard drives. This makes backing up and migrating Windows much easier. Once you've cloned your system, restoring it is just as simple. Go to iSumsoft official website to get iSumsoft Cloner. Launch the software. Click Backup option in the home page. Click the C drive to backup. Click Choose button to select a path to store the backup file. Click Start button. Click Yes to confirm your selection. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once cloned, you can restore your system from this backup whenever you need, and it works for both Windows 11 and 10. Just like the restore point, next I will show you how to use the backup. Choose the restore option. Select the destination partition to which you will restore the backup. Click the Choose button, and then choose the backup file you need to restore. Click Start to start restoring the backup file, then click Yes to continue. Notice this operation will format the destination partition. Moreover, when your system crashes, you can also make a boot disk to restore your system. When you receive a success prompt on the interface, it means the backup of the Windows OS or partition is restored successfully. And there you have it, 2 methods to back up your Windows system. Whether you use Windows built-in tools or iSumsoft cloner, you'll be ready for anything. That's all for this video guide, and don't forget to like and subscribe or drop a comment below for more tech tips. See you in the next one.